So in my computer keyboard I am going to turn on my num lock. So we have enabled the number lock. Now you can see an alt key on the left side of the space bar. You can press and hold this alt key. You do not remove your finger from this alt key. At the same time you must type here 10533. So after typing 10533 you can release your finger from this alt key. So you can see that we have created this symbol. So this is an arrow, southeast arrow with an hook. So we have created this symbol using keyboard shortcut. So you can try this after opening Microsoft Word in your computer. Hope this video helps you. For more videos like this you can subscribe. Thank you.